No for on board do manye ke Reeby TV.
Manye ba wala.
Ofane wale boye nuwa. Wo fe wale aka wonu mo jibo ke boni yake ba. Mene wana ka oba je pe NDC bi ame office ni ame faithful nke ni bi ko mo fa ba nyo gbla mi fi ni ofi oye bi e.
Yo nyera don ni chogbe na no mi ba manye ni mi bi manye ye lumo ife ke Krowor bi ife aden. Ngbe to bi no le Patrick Osakunor Borkwei she MP for me chemo ake ni amasan Osakunor. To be no we NDC MP's office wo yo bi ane. No no wo fio bi ane ji. Agbelegbe ni men eba file for nomination men into a contest ke NDC Krowor gbehe na meta mo fe mo gbehe no to wo oba no ba file on nomination e bi ene guidelines ke processes no mo dromo na wogbe endorsement e na from my side wo me name ba file ni contest as a communication officer for the Krowor in the constituency ni noni motivate me e woni mba keshima contest for Krowor constituency communication officer aji no me communication officer aji me one of the branches. Okay. Actually no play. Okay. Ni in realize some deficiencies kumeni your communication structure mean, especially ke information ko je national eba regional ke ba constituency sane ba branch level le ko ni branch communicator say na information ni na me kin executive say na me kin ha me member say she this structure lacko ke information ko ba dan ni ko le ba she branch members ano no mi ko le no ni heni aruo e ba omo alo afo omo alo e ba ti me shi batu e we name me fe e won ke no we should sane we move above that ke communication ko ba information ko ba ke the regional ba constituency level no sane as a communicator on mechanism no ke communicator say fe ni your over 230 branches say no follow up also with calls no make sure que information any ba nation ya ke gbe me akabatu ni this is one of the reason it was new into man contest ake communication officer Kenya Krowor. Another thing na huji to be in Kebu branch communicator Jimmy she for the period there whilst I was the communication officer for the no play branch in Nakonache communicators a meeting allo a forum ni work concerns allo atron communication skills can be coming na build capacity this thing I realize actually no it is something we should work on what mean by as a communication officer ni inke project ko ba ni double the communicators forum ni every quarter oba organize this seminar which is going to be a skills and capacity or skills development and training seminar for the communicators. Communication is about skills, it's about techniques, it's about the art. We have to learn it. We will invite resource persons. Na matron like a communicators forum ne oba feel word by word. E wo mene ke wo gbe e wo fe e ko le mu kwanjo word there. Next time wa fe your poigon e ba rotate. Okay. Within that period there oba na ke NDC feasibility ye word self e stronger. At the same time o build capacity in your branch communicators. Na many ame project na me protect the good image of the NDC party. The 2024 election na we are MP is a done deal. She na kan. Like I know what dream actually 2020 is a done deal. She na kan. We need bold and proactive communicators. Many they can take initiative. Many before issue baba I mean na issue ni baba na me send signals ni they are already talking about it. That is proactiveness. She say ni be bati or she truka. Then always say will be firefighting. That is one of my reasons it was because I was part of the strategic communication team 2020 elections ni wote ni as part of the strategic communication team in fair my personal analysis ni na ke ye gbese gbeni jo po egon no ba tro na ke brekese east ke west ke ni bi what feasibility as a party ye spon few ye jeme. What I did was during the 2020 elections from 7 p.m. to about 11 or 12 midnight there, I formed a team of about 5 communicators. No, branch by branch. No project or campaign on the good policies and projects of the NDC.
Okay, info now. That means you have already started the work before Bani Oba contest for me tomorrow.
Na kan pepe to 2020 election onye oche NDC communicators New York Krowor no che Osakunor be. Yes.
Well, okay, okay, competition is it tough? Is it slow?
Oh yeah.
Shaking feel me.
In because many na inutrumo during the 2020 election ameson amewomieka akeshin amentuo me as communicator. Most of the things say if I feel na pe I'm away she may need the grassroots delegates say they rather pick the form did everything in hami when so onani akeshin it is about time ake delegates say na many banya truly ke many truly and this time amentuo ni na kan me ehie NDC ehie ye Krowor.
Okay, no obi aneko what go as the communication name. How is 2024 going to be? Do you think after with you there, everything is possible? You guys are already there. Really. Do you think we should expect that? 2024, there is no way
Yeah, of course. This Tomo win is about teamwork. It's about everybody playing their part to realize the one objective or project. And on my part, or in my part, I will, like I told you, men na onuchumo no chuomo. Na me na keshin kebo tomo afi tomo Ghana 11 na select players ke ha World Cup. Ona ake players commentation ni Ghana bi ke no. I invite many neighbor ache many neighbor because me who na mo many trouble na me na many libo letra. Na kai no delegate yo. Amena many truni na many truni and they know akeke many domo bi na e wo 9. Alo domo communication here NDC is solid.
Okay. Well fane bia ne ko ke ko wole wala ke nungwa
ji Krowor.
Nungwa, we have a lot of tribes here where you game, where you come, where you be me, where what are the Gan Adangbe and Nungwa me going to benefit from you, their father, moving to come and partake in this?
Okay, to be no we biane Nungwa or actually cosmopolitan. Yeah, okay, other tribes, and that's the beauty of it. What Gadang to be no rule, that near what Fuano, Akashi, one man coming, a bee na me futu, no fair, what to man, what our man, a machine. In name Gadang in by her, NDC in by her, Nungwa. Krowor NDC. Ni name Gadang be when Ameli me Poteake, we are one of the people ni protector na me projector Gadang me good image. Ni tomo efe na yo aye caucus. Tafrache so le mo fame ke e interest. Onushi ke o kwa general interest when ake Krowor be fe mo fame New York Krowor irrespective of the tribe mo fame no kone tawo alone noni sano fe hamo o fe hamo hu sana gbene bo manoje alo heni oje aso tribe o project their good image and that one will not be a difficult task at all. Yeah.
Well, we the people of Ghana we are looking forward ke beshe ni Ona hewale ni tawo. You are not going to forget us. Ofa ne meji ona gbewe mu alo shere mo no yo ke ha mo fia mo ni nkwebo amontane.
Yo ora don ina gbewe mu alo shere mo ni yo ke ha mo fe mo ji. No ni wo fio nyemen ani fe mo. Ni je no mo, je be, je mo fitemo. Tafrache behe ne ba kanshi. Ni nyemen son democracy wo fe won file wo participate in the process. Nya wo fia wo campaign e nyemi sumo na. Wo je amen fu remo ni ke min plan mo baba wo je wo certain. Wona fe ka gbe election na wo fe komi ke fe campaign bulu. Ke hwe shuo ne batamano ne han ni te actually fi wo fe wo efi wo ye ma mi la kan bi ke na agba ke ni bi woni wo je ke ase ni ta fra che ke jm ba ke policies papaye e ba wa ma ko ni be ni ma mi wa wo fe wo ye beje wo no wo yo wo ma ke nye me NDC bi akeshi eni e dey do and die eni e bon rehearsal grounds ni training wo feel contested en che ye hin bon na wo ya ke nyeme waka feel like what je like dirty politics say nyeme son ke wo gbe na mo ni yeku ni nju mo ni share no ta wo no ju wo fe wo na ya wo ya ke umbrella shishi woje wo ba kataman shishi no bu akataman wo na kuniyeli agboken NDC come 2024 share mu fi oni yoni
Over na ke ko o shino kuse akọ efite ko fane no mebe ni wo ba late final results here.
Okay, ni biane wo ba file next move je agbene abagbele for vetting about vet wo ken mu asmo ho ni ogba ni ba ni aba fe la kan vetting ni wo vetting ba je ka fe vetting ni ta ba fe balloting ka fe balloting ni tan keke agbele te actually the election ni agbele gbe han election ni den che ba no 22nd October la kan timeline na ke ba ke barring any time change to be ni wie ni mani aba kan le fenfel aba che by 6 say ana many delegates den che halake amehia me ni yo ake by 6 22nd October by 6 na ba che nungwa Krowor delegate e vote massively Patrick Osakunor Borkwei ni imba lead NDC communication team make a department and work reforms a back department there ta frache bia ne wo MP yo no bone she wo opposition e wo ta frache MP ni bi komempo na efio ana ka on be strong communicator strong and bold communicator ne ba ni project that be MP den che ana le na no tumo ya ga je government for your power. It may fair we need a strong, bold, and proactive communicator. Ni Krowor, you can trust that in Patrick Osakunor Borkwei. In your yakabina bag bina hue, in your kuning, nebana inuchumo, Kenya NDC, Kenya Krowor, Kenya Ghana, Mamu Fe, Orado.